Station's intact. What the? He couldn't be. But then... The hell? Wait. You're not real. You're dead.
I am.
I killed you with my own...
Oh, you need not remind me. It was the crowning moment of our time together. But that was then, and this is now. I have a favor to ask. Our beloved planet is dying. Slowly. Silently. Painfully. Can you bear to see the planet suffer? Cloud. Were the planet to die, so many things would be lost. Your hometown, that burns so bright. The sound of her voice, pleading for me to spare you. The shiver of her flesh, yielding to cold steel. That which binds us together would be no more, and I would be loath to live in such a world, which is why I must ask you this one favor. Don't worry, it's a simple thing. Run, Cloud. Run away. You have to leave. You have to live.
You bastard! Yeah!
Good, Cloud. Very good. Hold on to that hatred.
I'm seeing things. Fumes from all the Mako, maybe. All right. You got this.
You all right? I'm gonna miss my train!
Isn't on the way.
I could never. There's no way. My baby's at the station.
Well,
All the
let's go this way.
suckers! Why this one?
moment he was there.
Military's on the way. Once they're here,
There's no time. He needs help now.
Many homes
I
are
can't
at risk.
take this.
It is not safe to remain indoors. Please leave your residences at once. I repeat. This is an alert from the Shinra Emergency Operations Center. An evacuation order has been issued to the occupants of buildings in the vicinity of the Sector 8 Expressway. You are advised to vacate the area immediately. The explosions at the reactor have caused numerous ongoing fires. Many homes are at risk.
Man, what a
It is
mess.
not safe to remain indoors. Please leave your residences at once.
I'm sorry. Do what you like. I'm taking the kids to safety.
This is an alert from the Shinra Emergency Operations Center. An evacuation. You are advised to vacate the area. The explosions at the reactor have caused numerous ongoing fires. Many homes are at risk. It is not safe to remain.
after all those years of construction.
So Shinra didn't.
Emergency operations.
You are too weak to save anyone. Not even yourself.
Are you okay? Hey, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Here, this is for you.
Huh? A flower?
That's right. It's a gift. You know, for scaring those things away.
What things?
Never mind. Think of it as a memento.
Just my luck.
I heard that, you know.
How much?
Well, that depends on the customer. In your case... it's on the house.
Huh?
Lovers used to give these when they were reunited.
Look, I'm involved in things. Dangerous things.
Oh, I'm sure you are. So?
So keep your distance.
Wait, you think someone's out to get you? Is that what you're all worked up about? Relax. No one's going to attack you. I promise.
Hey, a Mako reactor just blew. You shouldn't be out here trying to self...
Help me! What are they?
Drop your weapon!
Are you blind?
You know, you're right.
Wait!
Nice meeting you.
Sword on the ground! Right now!
It's over. That's that. See ya. Was never in doubt.
Hey,
You there!
if you need to access the train
See ya.
and avoid the plaza near the expressway.
Not bad.
Train services may be suspended without without warning. Should this occur, your patience and understanding are requested. I repeat. This is an alert from the Shinra Emergency Operations Center. The area near the expressway is still extremely dangerous. Those in the vicinity are instructed to leave immediately. If you need to access the train station, please take a detour and avoid the process. An evacuation order has been issued to the occupants buildings in the vicinity of the Sector 8 Expressway. You are advised to vacate the area immediately. The explosions at the reactor have caused numerous ongoing fires.
There he is! You're not going anywhere!
That's that. HQ, this is Sector 8 Unit. That's that. It's over. Let's go.
All clear.
Enough. No holding back. Let's finish this. Not bad.
Avoid the plaza near the expressway.
Just give it up!
That's that. Enough.
Box him in! There's nowhere to run!
It's over. See ya.
Troopers on standby! You are clear to engage! Be advised, target is headed.
You're mine.
Don't let him escape! Give up!
Ground forces engaging target in South Plaza. All nearby units converge and provide immediate support.
Going in. It's over. Enough. This
Target
is
still mobile. Support. Proceed to rally point at the station.
But the rooftops look clear.
To avoid accidents, prompt compliance with officers' instructions and advice. I repeat.
Over there! Open fire! Shoot to kill!
Close call.